Today we are going to make potato focaccia, a potato-based pizza where you can eat it plain or with any topping you like. Let's get started. For the base, we will need 300 grams of potato already boiled in salted water for 35 minutes. ,300 grams of 00 flour, 20 grams of fresh yeast, approximately 40 grams of extra virgin olive oil, fresh rosemary, and 1 potato for the topping later. We will peel our potatoes when cool and mash them through a potato ricer. In a glass, we will add 100 ml of warm water and we will dissolve the fresh yeast. On a clean wooden board, shift the flour. Add a pinch of salt to the potato mix. And we'll create a hole in the center to add the mashed potato. And slowly add the liquid yeast. Mix as you go and keep adding the yeast. Work through your dough till everything is blended in well. And add flour as necessary. Cover with a damp cloth and let it rest for 1.5 hours. In the meantime, cut up into cubes the potato for the topping and boil in salted water for 5 minutes, then set aside. Once your dough has doubled in size, we are ready to roll into rectangular shapes to fit in our trays. We will cover in oil and place our focaccia bases in the trays. I like to poke holes with my fingers so the base does not rise too much. Add oil and brush to spread evenly. Next, I place the potato cubes on top. Add thick salt and fresh rosemary. Lastly, I brush in some yolk egg . Pop it in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes on 200 degrees, depending on your oven. And there we have a delicious potato focaccia. Enjoy!